Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the lovely Jazz in for a fresh set. So she removed her nails herself. I prepped all the natural nails. I applied Glitter Planets tapered square tips. I do have the old ones. I know that they have changed them. And then I dehydrated. Didn't prime because I'm using the one from CJP. Applied my clear layer, and now we're going in with our design. So this little what is this? Oh, I thought I was doing a different set then. No, I know what I'm doing. Right, so I'm using Birthday Suit here, and I'm just putting a bead at the cuticle area and bringing it halfway down the nail. And then we're just going to blunt it off because it's going to be a cutout sort of design. I didn't have a big enough bead, so I have to go in a few times. Usually I get my beads right and I can get it done in one, but it was a little bit washy and my little line at the end was very thin, so I have to go in with a few more beads just to build it up. So the brush that I'm using is the big boy brush today. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch this part. So I just wanted this a little bit more thicker because we're not going to cap this now, so I'll just come in with a little bead of crystal glass, and then we're going to move on to the thumb. I just like to get the core, the nudes all done and out of the way before we start faffing around with glitter, just because you know it gets everywhere. Even though I've got glitter in all of these, it must have either been in my powder or my liquid bar, I don't know. But yeah, I just like to get it done and out of the way before I come in with not the dreaded glitter, but the glitter that gets everywhere. So yeah, this one will be a fade, so I'm just getting a bead at the cuticle area and blending to the tip, just so we can cover her natural nail and it's more pleasing to the eye. And then we're going to move on to the pointer finger, which is going to be just a full nail of Birthday Suit. Just quickly wanted to clear something up because a lot of people have been doing it, saying that I'm slapping my lips or something. Why even comment that on my video? Like, don't watch my video if you don't like it, or just, I don't know, get over it. I don't know if it's just because I'm eating something, or because I'm talking fast, or maybe it's just an Essex thing. But one, I don't even realise I'm doing it. So yeah, just wanted to clear that up. And also, if you're going to write anything negative on my posts, which has been happening quite often, I'm just going to delete it. So you're just going to waste time. I don't want this to be any sort of negative vibe or anything. So yeah, this is just going to be a full now of Birthday Suit. I'm just going to build up my colour because it looks a little bit wishy-washy here. So I'm just going to come in with a few more beads, remove the dreaded glitter. See what I mean? Like there's not even any glitter down yet, and it's getting involved already. So I'm just going to go in with a few more beads, build up the colour, and then we're going to move on to glitter. So we're not going on to glitter, yeah. So this is going to be a glitter fade, but it's going to be coming from the cuticle area. So I just wanted to put a little bit of birthday suit halfway down the nail, so we've got that at the tip. So I'll just let you watch this. So this glitter here is, I don't know. I don't actually know what it is. I think I got it from the range. It was just in a pot and I just wanted to use it because it was fine. I just wanted to use it as a base. And then again, I'm coming in with a glitter from, I know it's from Phoenix Glitters, but cannot tell you the name for the life of me. It would be something along the lines of gold, I'm sure. But I'll put it in the description box. It was just a really nice glitter. She picked this out herself. She's so fussy with her glitters, with her gold even. She likes a certain tone of gold. I don't really know what it is, but it's like this. So yeah, the baby finger is just going to be a full nail of that glitter, and I'm going to just go ahead and add all the glitter to the rest of the nails that I want them on. So I don't show you capping all the nails, I just wanted to show you one, just the middle one. So once I've done that, once I've capped all the nails, I then go on to the ring finger, and I will file that line nice and crisp with my hand file, like this. Do you like my new angle as well? I've kind of tried, I was kind of from the side, wasn't I, but it was doing my head in, so I've gone from the top again. I feel like my lighting isn't great, but it's just a better angle, I think, for everybody, and I don't keep bumping my head into it and stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to get this line lovely and straight. I'm going to remove all the dust, and then I'm going to come in with the glitter. So I just like to put a little base down of clear first, just so it's got something to stick to, and then I'll just go straight in with the chunkier glitter from Phoenix Glitters, just right on the top of that. And then just want to do like a little streak of glitter. I love this now and how it turned out. It looked gorgeous. Oh, Merlin's piping up. It's the morning, so he's piping up already. So yeah, just gonna pat that and nudge it all into place, make sure it's nice and straight, and well, as straight as I can get it. I'm only gonna file it, but anyway. And then I'm gonna cap this nail in crystal glass. So I nearly forgot to press record. But yeah, I capped that little bit of glitter in crystal glass, and then I obviously filed it to just like how I did before, and then we're going in and putting that nude at the tip, just to make a nice colour block. And yeah, that is the set done. So I do file off camera. Do I do it off camera? I think I do. Sometimes I leave them in, sometimes I don't. This is a long enough video, so I think I leave it out. So I file them all lovely and smooth and even and all that boring stuff. And now we're going straight in with top coat. So I'm using the CJP Tack Free Top Gloss, and I'm applying a thin layer of that over all her nails. If you want to see how I file, I do leave them in some videos. If you're a regular watcher, you'll know, so I skip out, but I do have a video dedicated just for my filing, so definitely go and check that out. So yeah, just a nice thin layer of that over all the nails. She'll cure in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. I apply NAFF Stuff Cuticle Oil in Strawberry Pina Colada, and that is the set complete. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Nice sparkly nudie set. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry about my little rant earlier, you know when you just had enough, but just know that the people that always comment, I'm recognizing your names, and I really appreciate you, so thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.